Welcome to X-Geo to learn Spanish. Expand your vocabulary by subscribing and watching the word of the day. Today's word is bird.
Pájaro. Pájaro.
Now, let's use this word in a sentence. My sister's favorite bird is the pelican.
El ave favorita de mi hermana es el pelícano. El ave favorita de mi hermana es el pelícano.
That does it for a word of the day. We recommend repeating this video, speaking this word and phrase aloud, then writing it down to commit to memory. Visit our channel to watch our full Spanish lessons to become fluent. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified of the next word of the day.